I'm Nishita and welcome back to my channel. Basically gonna show you my everyday makeup look with like all of the products that I use. I'll link them down below also. Let's do it. Ignore my little friend, it's been here for a while now. So I start off with this L'Oreal concealer and honestly this is my favorite concealer. मतलब इतना full coverage concealer मैंने नहीं देखा आज तक. But this concealer is only available in like 2-3 shades in India. So if you happen to be one of those like 2-3 shades, then you can get this. Our brush and I like blend it out and look at that coverage. I also have so much redness on my face, so this concealer does such a good job. I do this makeup in the morning every day. इतना time नहीं होता सुबह that you know I do the whole like beauty blender. So I just take my brush and I just go like also put it a little bit on the eyelids with like 3-4 dots of concealer, like it covers your entire face. Today I did my eyebrows already. This is the palette that I use. It's from Nykaa. This is basically a powder eyebrow palette. It has like these 3 shades and इसमें ये brush भी आता है which has like a brush on one side and like a spoolie on the other side. This shade and this shade mixed together and I just do my eyebrows and it lasts all day. I don't use any eyebrow gel or anything. So for the next step I use a blush. Now this is I think my favorite part. You know, I do have a little bit of blush blindness. These are the 2 that I usually use. This is my favorite blush because what I love about this blush is that it is so long lasting. This is the recent one that I bought. It's from Fay Beauty. This is also very nice, not as long lasting as the Maybelline one because of course वो stain है तो वो long lasting ज़्यादा होगा. This one is not as long lasting. It's a cream blush. I'm almost out of it. Imagine मैंने एक blush खत्म किया. So I do like 1 dot इधर and like 1 dot idhar. I know the color looks crazy right now, but trust the process and usually focus it like over here and halka sa dab it over here. Repeat. I'm gonna add a little bit of the Fay Beauty one as well just to show you guys the color. 1 dot. It's very pigmented so you only need 1 dot. Ab I will look like a clown. To me a makeup look is not complete without blush. I think it's the most like lively thing. So now I set my face and this is the most important step because I have oily skin. So there is no way I can just leave my face like wet like this. So I use this Nykaa setting powder. It has like this fabric either and it also comes with this blocker. So when you close the powder and आप कितना भी इसको हिला लो, shake कर लो, you travel with it and everything, it doesn't, you know, get everywhere. And I just like put powder like everywhere on my face. Especially on my like forehead and stuff. So my face is matte now and now I use this mini palette. This is like my everyday palette. It's from K Beauty. I love this. They have like a lot of different shades in them. This is like the basic one. इसमें बहुत ही मतलब neutral shades है. Honestly, this is like the perfect everyday palette. This is the only palette I use because I don't really do a lot of like very colorful eyeshadow looks. What I do is I take this very light peachish color and I just put it on my eye and it really like opens up your eye. Then I go with this like neutral like pinkish brown which is again a very pretty color. Also this palette is very pigmented. This is my Garmi savior. So I use this Nykaa Black Magic Kajal and what I do is I do like a very tiny little winged eyeliner. So how I do it is I basically do a tiny little wing on my eye. To make like a sharp wing, what I like to do is I just put on eyeliner at the edge and then I take my nail and I just stretch my eye and I just go like this. You see that? That's a cutie little wing. Repeat. Eyeliner करने के बाद just take this and just becomes like this wing. I honestly cannot go a day without curling my lashes. I think it makes all of the difference. If you apply mascara, your lashes are not like curling up very well या फिर वो mascara लगाती they go down. That's probably because you're not curling your lashes properly. This is how my lashes look after curling. You can instantly see how the eyes really like make the look so pretty already just with the eyes. I usually do not use mascara. मैं बहुत rarely mascara लगाती हूँ, but if I do, These are the two that I use. I use either the Sky High one, which is like my favorite, or the OG Colossal. I still think these are like the two best mascaras from Maybelline. Next, I do a powder blush. So I use this one from Note Cosmetics. I think it's like J Note Cosmetics. I know ये बहुत मतलब light लग रहा है, but to be honest, this is the perfect color to set the blush that I already have. It gives like a very natural like flush of color on the nose. This is kind of optional. Sometimes I use it, sometimes I forget. But this is the Wet n Wild like highlighter, like a single highlighter sort of a thing. मैं just थोड़ा सा हाथ पे लेके I just apply it like in the middle of my nose and in my inner corner. I think that's where it looks the prettiest. थोड़ा सा in the inner corner. It's a very tiny step, but it makes a huge difference. Pankha break again. I'll show you like my everyday lip combo that I do almost every single day. First, I use this lip liner from Swiss Beauty. It's like a brownish pink sort of a color. This is like my favorite lip liner. I talked about all of like my favorite lip products in my previous video. So if you haven't watched that, then go watch it. I fill it in a little bit, blend it out. And then I use this Maybelline Teddy Tint in the shade Velvet Choker. This is my favorite shade. And just put a little bit in the center. And I just go like, gives it a nice flush of color without making it look too intense. And it also stays all day. So this is the final look. So yeah, this was my Vogue Beauty Secrets video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will link all of the products down below so you can buy them directly. Subscribe to my channel and like this video if you enjoyed it. And also let me know in the comments what are your favorite everyday makeup products. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!